friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Snapchat in your Mac or in any PC. So whether you are using MacBook Air, MacBook Pro or iMac or any Windows PC, this method will work in every uh, device, every laptop. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to go into your Google Chrome. Okay, now here you have to search for Snapchat web. Okay, now you have to search for it, and here you have to click on this web Snapchat. So when you click on it, uh, I'm going to log in again. Okay, now you have to log in your account using your user ID, username and also password. And now I'm going to log in your my account. Okay, so when I log in my account, I will get a notification in my device. So I'm going to use it. Click on yes in my device for this notification, and you will see that I have login in my account, logged in my account. Now what you have to do, here you will see a small icon. Okay, now click on this. Here you will see is now a small icon, and here you will see install Snapchat. Click on it and click on install. So when you click on it, you will see that this app has been installed in my MacBook, and it also work in your uh, PC. Okay, so I'm going to show you that this app has been installed in my MacBook. Here you will see that. So like this you can install Snapchat in your PC. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.